So I'm going to give an updated tour of the space because we changed our minds again about where we want everything. So now, this will be the kitchen. There'll be a butcher block countertop on top of that Metro shelf. Be the fridge where the chair is now. And then this is going to stay the dining room. And then this will be the living room. And then there'll be kid bedroom. Then our bedroom will be the big room at the back of the house that we were gonna originally have be a living room. So we keep changing our minds, but I'm pretty sure we've settled with this plan and I'm feeling really happy about it. All right, here are the walls primed and everything cleaned up and put back in its spot, or temporary spot at least. All right, and now I'm gonna start painting with my actual paint color, which is a nice warm white. And I'm gonna start with the kitchen. All right, I'm gonna nail up some trim. All right, so I didn't do the best job with this trim, but instead of thinking of it as a bad job, I'm gonna think of it as quirky and homespun. And it's done.